Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. A simple reminder for all my followers and my dear friends. Um, I made this video for you to how you will come up, um, you will, close your trade always with profit. Is as you can see that it's only only one transaction which I had to close is in negative. The rest of them are, since I started today, they are in positive. A simple method. I don't follow these, the signals from, buy or sell. I go my own way. As you can see here, the signal was showing for sell, but why would I? The question is, why would I place order for buy? It's a simple reason that assessing at the bottom, it's already hit in here, um 0.80. I'm talking about XRP. So the computer generates signals after many transactions close. So you need to take a reference from the previous. You don't have to go back because you are you're placing in short trades are like um, within 5 minutes, or if you're on higher leverage, you have to be on what we call it. I need to zoom out or zoom in if you want to have a look what's happening in previous 1 or 2 hours. So you can change it from here, 5 minutes. It will show you if you're trading within 5 minutes, you aim to close your position in 5 minutes. I would say to place on 5 minutes. If you are higher leverage, about 500x or something like that, you need to be on literally 1 minute, because that will give you a clear idea, where you want to put the whether you want to buy or sell. As you can see, this computer, as you can see, the system shows you, sell. The signals are generated. Once again, I remind you, do not rely 100% on it, because unless it says strong buy or strong sell. In that case, you need to, place the order for, lower leverage. Um, it's already touched the, 80 mark, 0.880499, which is it's already it's just not going down from here. So I work opposite, based on my assessment opposite, and then this is 20% gain on every transaction. You need to keep in mind that if you close, you have placed 10 orders on either stock market or cryptocurrency market. If you come out with eight transactions with profit, you are doing well. If that's nine out of 10, you are excellent. And then if you are like uh, 10 out of 10, you come out with profit, you are genius. So to Stormgain, they support the best traders in terms of your your progress. They monitor your progress, but at VIP level they will assign you manager, who will provide you with the WhatsApp number and everything. So instead of sell, I place order for you know uh, instead of placing order for sell, I place order for buy, and then literally closed it. As you can see, this is my aim is to close any position in within 2 minutes. And then also the second reason for this is that you have to keep in mind, if you are investing $200 $300, if you're investing $100, your aim is to double the money in a day. So if you work 4 hours, so which is enough to multiply your investment. You know, these are the top secrets. No trader will show you. I want every one of you to be successful, and then also make profit. So any one of you joined with my Stormgain reference, I always um, customize my videos for you, so for you can make better profit. So we will go for the next most recent transactions. As you can see, um, in this case, I started, although it was showing the signal for sell, but I placed order for bid for buy. I started from $10 and then increased by 10, 20, and 30. So end up with the profit in, as you can see, that 1921 I started to place opening date and time is this one, and then closing date. Opening price I started this one, 0.80871. So always keep in mind, if you are higher leverage, that's the maximum available leverage on XRP. With the Bitcoin and Ethereum, you have different leverage available to you. So, say for some people might ask, what is leverage? The leverage is a many platform allow you to borrow the money against your investment, which is multiplied by suppose, as you can see here, for 90, you know I borrow $9,000, $9,093. Okay, so um I received 116.3689 tethers. So after the closing position, keep in mind that when you place order for a leverage trade, the first thing that the system will show is negative in your position, because they have to take the interest. It's a very small interest, as you can see, for 9,000 USDT, for 10 minutes, it will cost you around $3. So it will start from negative because they take their commission first. And also you have to, when you come up with a profit, they you will be your trading or funding fee will be negative. And then what this is your profit share. It's just I think point 0.1 or 2. It depends on your status on Stormgain. This money is based on your status. And also, sometime, I can, when I close the trades, um, this remains zero. Many times it remains zero because they already made money from my like the loan, or leverage loan. So uh, this is taken as the profit share. So if you make, uh, I think I made about 27, 28 dollars in this trade, in 10 minutes trade. So they took their share. And also, um, still 25, 100 pound investment, $100 investment, 10 minutes trade, $25 profit is more than 300-400%. So um, I also when I sense there is a danger, and there is a chance that the market will reverse back to like a bearish. So what I'll do is, instead of losing a lot of money, one example is here. So instead of losing the money, better off like close the position for smaller profit, and then place a new order here. So it's entirely up to you how you want to take the leverage. But I will, once again, I'll remind you, the higher leverage, the higher risk is. If you are a new trader, start from just only 5x. So for $100, it will give you $500, position. So you will make profit on $500. At the same time, there's a risk is that your money can disappear in the thin air. So if you got any specific question, feel free to ask either in a comment or you can send me an email. Um, so I'm always available around from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. GMT, and sometimes I trade live on um, on YouTube or other channels. I will provide you with the link um, in the comment section or the description. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope it will help you in the future trades. If you follow these steps, you will I am sure you will end up mostly 80 to 90% in profit. So you need to keep track of your progress as well from video education, and also it shows you how you are, you know um, how you're doing, or how you're progressing, better, you're getting worse. It shows you that. Okay. And also one more important thing that this money uh, is taxable. You need to pay tax on it, depending on the country you live in. So your local accountant will be able to advise you how to reclaim the tax credits and all that. So um once again, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.